Hey guys, Andy Tuttle here again with Oak Mortgage Group doing my weekly market roundup. Remember, I do this every week because I want you to be financially free. I want you to have peace of mind about home ownership, and that starts before you ever buy your home. And it starts with seeing your mortgage as a tool that can help you create wealth. And this includes how you see the term that you get, the amount of down payment, your overall rate and cost structure, and also basically your overall loan and lock strategy. And if you're armed with good, timely, market-based information, you can make better, more confident decisions based on your time frame and your plans for the home that really can help you save thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. So let's get into it. So new home sales this week. December, we've had a couple of bad numbers on housing data the last couple of months, and now the new home sales is down about twice as much as it should have been. Stocks are trying to rally. At the time of this recording, the S&P is still down. The Dow is barely holding on. They got hammered last week trying to recover, and this is this is a huge news week. We have GDP data. We have more housing data. We have the FOMC, the Fed meeting on Tuesday and Wednesday this week. We have the State of the Union address coming up later this week that may focus on income inequality, and that could be a market mover. There are several things that could be moving the market this week, and so your lender and you need to be aware and armed to lock at a moment's notice, because this stuff can change in minutes, if not a lot quicker than hours, definitely not days. You're way out of the game then. So if you have been on the fence and you are looking to, with your lender, if it's with us, we're blowing you up right now because we want to make sure you're in a position to lock, because that's the key. But right now, if you're shopping for a home, you've got some offers in, continue to pursue that. If you have a contract in, you haven't locked yet, you haven't got your disclosures in, you're not in a position to lock, or if you're in your home right now looking to refinance, you're like, I don't know, you need to be in position so you can make the right moves as the market suggests. Because, as I'm going to show you in a second, if it goes the other way, you could be out of luck for another couple of months on saving money, or it could just cost yourself a quarter to a half a point for the next several years that you're in that home. So let's look at the chart. Very quickly, this is purple lines, the 200-day moving average. This is a price chart, inverse relationship with rates. So prices go up, rates go down. Just remember that. The bond market's battling right now. This is a very tenuous position to be in. So just remember that when you're looking at this, you have the resistance here, the floor here, and we've seen this history happen before where it's the bond market has battled above this 200-day moving average and this resistance line here and gone back down, and battled and gone back down, and battled and won and gone up, and battled again and came back down. So this is why we want to be in an alert position where we're floating to see if the bonds can make it out today. But this week we're going to be watching very closely, because you need to be in a position to lock right now if you haven't. If you're on the fence, remember, get your paperwork in. This is the time. And it's a great time to buy or look at repositioning your equity, cash flow through a finance. And you know what? I can help you with that, and I'd be more than happy to help you with that. So you can reach out to me at andytuttle.com. You can also call our main number, 469-319-0660. Whatever you do, pay attention to these weekly updates, and happy hunting.